Hi, my name's Freya and I'm an artist working in clay in London.
Hello, my name's Chris, I'm Freya's dad. I'm a potter and sculptor and I share a studio with Freya in Kilburn.
I probably learned throughout my childhood through osmosis. I watched my dad do his work and I picked up on how you do things.
When they were younger, her and her twin sister, they used to come to my workshops with their kids, and they used to help the kids throw on the wheels.
Working with clay can be very exciting, and calling myself an artist and allowing myself to explore and be expressive and sort of break rules and boundaries. It's exciting, and we like to bring in other artists and work with other types of people and keep learning and expressing ourselves. It never felt like work, it's just like going to another home.